Hello, my name is Daniel and today I will be making one of my grandmother's recipes, chocolate coconut balls.
The ingredients we need are morning coffee biscuits, shredded coconut, margarine or unsalted butter, drinking chocolate, sweetened condensed skimmed milk. We need to crush these biscuits, but we have to work in batches to make sure they are crushed properly. Put a batch of biscuits in a plastic bag. You can sample one of the biscuits, but don't tell anyone. Use a rolling pin to crush the biscuits in the bag. I really had fun crushing the biscuits. Pour the crushed biscuits into a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of powdered drinking chocolate to the bowl. Add 3/4 of the packet of shredded coconut. We need to leave the rest for coating at the end. Next, we need half a packet of margarine or unsalted butter. Put it in a pan on low heat until it melts. When the butter has melted, pour it carefully into the bowl. Now it's time to add the sweetened condensed skimmed milk. Mix it all up very well. Put the remaining shredded coconut in a plate to coat the chocolate balls with. Take a small amount of the mixture and roll it into a ball. Always remember to wash your hands before touching food. Coat it in the coconut.
That's delicious. I hope you liked my grandmother's recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!